Now today it's Tamanishagu, and we have finished to make guthuk. Guthuk means minimum 9 ingredients. So now we are going to show you. Now here's the guthuk, and it's very delicious. I'm going to eat my guthuk. Now I'm going to eat my guthuk.
Very delicious.
The guthuk is so good, and it's very delicious, and it's very healthy. I'm going to eat more guthuk. There's 9 ingredients. Minimum. This is for lemcha, and this is lü.
你是个绿lemcha sorry she's making lemcha this na ne de to ching pa chi chama se sho lorti ti an so pepa nang chi nang la ti chinani lo ti ne na cha chama ma ta sho lai it will take all the sickness bad lucks we have to do 3 times.
Now I'm rolling.
To tipchu.
Press it. And then voila. Finished. Just right there. Voila. This is Lu's road. This is Lu. Lu takes bad looks. This is to clean Lu's road. First we're going to pray, and after that we're going to throw Lu. Sanji chodang soji chona la chancho patu dani chasoji dagi jusu jibi sonaji dola peche sanji ruba sho sanji chodang soji chona la chancho patu dani chasoji dagi jusu jibi sonaji dola peche sanji ruba sho sanji chodang soji chona la chancho patu dani chasoji dagi jusu jibi sonaji dola peche sanji ruba Basho, Senje Tanchi Dewata, Devi Jida Deba Chuchi, Senje Tanchi Duma, Duma Chichi Tamadawa Chuchi, Senje Tanchi Duma, Baby Dewata, Munda Hundawa Chuchi, Senje Tanchi Nene Chadani Data, Daniela Nepa Chuchi. Now you are going to throw Lu. Now here is Lu. We're going to throw outside. Lu.
We're going to throw Lu. Nishugu Lu, you go denda. Nishugu Lu.
I have threw Lu just right there. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe, and love you all. Bye. Peace.